Hey guys, we're Tom, Alex and Doug, and we're attempting to ride from Sydney to London.
So we're back in Sydney at the moment. Well, me and Tommy are. Doug's decided to do a bit of an international trip to the Philippines whilst we wait for the bikes.
Yeah, we spent 2 weeks over New Year's riding from Sydney to Darwin. We had some pretty long days, pretty high heat. Kind of at the moment do some life admin for a few weeks while our bikes are getting shipped to East Timor, and we should join them soon.
In the nature of the trip to Oz, pretty extreme heat-wise, that we didn't find enough time to sort of film. We were sort of trying to get to Darwin. So this is a bit of a short recap of our time spent in Oz.
Yeah, we did about 5,300 kilometres in just over 13 days, so you know, we didn't get into a rhythm yet, but anyways, here's our trip through Oz. So on our first night we stayed with some of my old family friends down in Wagga Wagga, and they cooked us a lovely dinner and we camped on their property, and you know, it was nice. And Doug will show you how he slept the night.
Well, I could, but I have to get naked. Oh. It was much more windy than it is now.
In the morning we said our goodbyes and set off, and on day 2 we had our first breakdown. How long did we last out?
Spark plug changed. Hopefully we're all sorted. I don't want to spend the night in the hay plains.
Day 2.
Start. Smaller gaps, but not much. Mine the same thing. There you go. I'll keep these.
Yeah, might as well. I know I have two.
The next few days were relaxing compared to the rest of our trip, to be honest. Easy rides to camp, good spots to swim, and the heat wasn't bad yet.
The sunny's on, mate.
They never been rice cooked.
I know. Just taste it, and if you reckon it's cooked, I guess.
Oh, you scared me!
I'm scared now!
Don't touch the ground.
I like touching the bottom.
After that, we rode in the Flinders Ranges in South Australia, and Alex took us to Razorback, which was mad. next few days were rough. We rode to pt via William Creek and Coward Springs. Big days of bull dust, loose gravel and corrugation.
We fly to Timor, and we meet our bikes in Timor. 70 down, 160 to go. Into India and everything. Yeah.
Easy now. Chatterbox, huh?
Hey, the wrong sort of two wheels.
Thank you very much.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
What have you done, Alex?
My bike has really old bark busters and I broke one of the little wings.
How'd you break it? What happened?
So I'll talk about that.
Tell us what happened, Alex.
I'll tell you when we're out of town, just in case. Gotta get out of town first. We're on the run.
So you spent New Year's in pt, which was a pretty eventful little town, to say the least.
Yeah, Doug loves pt, his favourite place. However, after that we started heading up the Stewart Highway towards NT, so we decided to put in a few pretty big clock of days in the desert, which got the job done. We also decided to take a little detour to Uluru, which I think is our favourite place thus far. Let's go.
We're in Uluru and we've got my new starting coil.
Pretty cool. Pretty rock.
Fucking massive rock.
The next morning, we decided to wake up at the cracker and get down to Uluru for a very glowing sunrise whilst having fun on the back of the bikes.
What?
So the next couple days in between Uluru and Darwin were probably the biggest of the trip. We were doing about 600 kilometres a day in like 44-degree heat, so pretty beat every afternoon. We'd get to the roadhouses and just kind of go to bed as soon as the sun went down. So.
However, the roadhouses were really, really fun. We met a lot of fun people at them, which kept that interesting. My favourite being Bertie. Took us, met him in Daily Waters and also ran into him again in Darwin, which was his favourite spots. Between there and up to Darwin, we stopped at a few swimming spots and waterfalls before finally getting in and doing a bit of maintenance prior to bikes going on the boat, so getting pretty fresh and ready.
Well done, eh, boys?
Fuck you and fuck this.
We made it. That's the job.
We're off, eh?
Well, Pat, guess who's got a Timor?
So that was Oz. We had some pretty big days, as we said, so we didn't get a chance to really get into a rhythm of filming anything, but we enjoyed it nonetheless, I think.
Yeah, that was unreal. It was pretty magical. Probably the most time-too fun we've ever had. Pain and relief. But looking forward to Timor-Leste and further up in Southeast Asia. We've got a lot of fun, cool things planned, and hopefully we can arrange for film and photos of those places.
Yeah, so follow us along. It's going to be quite the journey if we can make it all that way. So next stop's Timor.
Yo!